To disallow an app to access your photos and videos on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, go to the app screen. Find the required app. As the example, we will try with Reminder. To find the app quickly, tap the search bar at the top of the screen. And then type the app name. Long tap the app icon. And then tap the app info icon. Under privacy section, tap permission. Tap photos and videos. And then select don't allow. With this setting, the selected app, in this case Reminder, will not be allowed to access your photos and videos. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.